Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have admin or directory privileges. Without that, you cannot complete this change. Open the Google Admin Console, then go to Users and select the account you will edit. Once in the user details, choose Profile to edit names. Make sure you have the exact given name and family name ready, plus any alias considerations. You should decide now if you're changing the primary email address or only the display name, because the steps diverge after this point. Now edit the user's profile. Go to Account, then Profile, and update the given name and family name fields. Type carefully to avoid spelling errors. If you must change the primary email, update the username and confirm the domain dropdown is correct, because changing the primary email can affect login and mailbox routing. Once done, hit Save, and consider adding the old address as an alias to preserve incoming mail. Make sure to communicate the update to the user so they can log back in if needed. Finish by confirming the update. Open the Admin Console user page and verify the displayed name and primary email. Once done, ask the user to sign out, clear cache, and sign back in. Make sure to wait up to 24 hours for changes to propagate across services. If mail or login fails, check alias configuration, domain verification status, and the admin audit logs for any errors. If necessary, revert or reapply the change and notify Google Workspace support with exact timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.